Hey guys, good morning. Hey Supriyan.
Hi.
So today we're going to unbox something. We received parcel and we're going to unbox and we'll see what's inside of the box. So we know already what's inside, but we will surprise you what's inside of the box. Okay, so just guessing what's the inside of the box. What's the inside of the box? Apple Watch. So it's brand new. We bought it and we're going to open it.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't want to break it. Everything is right here.
So the color is red. That's why I'm excited to show you. Because even me, I never send red color Apple Watch in the personal. I'm not that going to the mall every day to see. So I usually see in black color or gray or
Table. Wow, so nice. Wow. Close to 40 million.
yeah. So this is it. This is his iPhone watch.
Apple Watch.
Apple Watch 6th generation. It's color red.
Okay.
So the advantage of having this watch is that, like, so for example, if you are busy in work and you don't have time to look at your phone, like, so for example, someone is calling you or texting you, or if you have like emergency call like that, so no need for you to look at your phone all the time, because this watch will notify you if you have call or text, or even you can answer through the watch. So you're just going like that, answering like that. So talking with your watch like that. So what else advantage is, like, also about your health, because it will identify your heartbeat, so you will know, especially if you have a problem with your health, so it will notify your heartbeat. And another advantage of this watch is that you can pay through this Apple Watch. Like, so today, nowadays we are using Apple Watch payment, right? So especially we are using mask, so it's hard for the phone to read your face. So when you have this phone, I mean no, this watch, you're going to top up pack wireless, so it will automatic deduct from it to your card using only this watch.
No longer need this. So nice like this, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I think you can vibrate pinging phone. 73% battery. Walkie-talkie available. What's that walkie-talkie? Unavailable, unavailable. What's this? Theater mode, turn on silent mode and keep the screen dark until you tap the screen or press the discount side button. It also changes the walkie-talkie status to unavailable. Cancel. What else? Flashlight. I believe this one is for the phone. Blood vessels, and it's reading the oxygen level according to the color. See, unsuccessful. Dismiss. Maybe I don't have oxygen in my blood. %96.
What?
It's good. It's supposed to be between 95 and 100%. Let's do it. Hey Siri, how are you?
I'm happy to be here.
Ask more.
No.
What's the weather today?
How's the weather today?
It's currently cloudy and 7 degrees.
Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, April and Go Travel, and kindly click the notification bell below so you'll be notified of all our posts. And that's all. God bless. Thank you. And don't forget to wear your mask outside and wash your hands. And sing happy birthday while washing your hands. Thank you for watching, guys. That's all for today.